Welcome back to the Basement Workshop, and we're doing another free project from the Glowforge site. If you are on the Express lane or the Prime member, I'm not sure which one it is. I know it's Fast lane. There are a bunch of free projects, and this is one of them. This is the little shelf that you get, the 3-tiered shelf. It's got the little intricate design on the side and the back. Really cute, really simple. Again, I made this out of the MDF that I got real cheap over the winter. Not the best fit. The MDF is a little too big for a little too thick for the tabs. And the only thing I don't like about this is that you can't adjust the tabs. You know, I don't know how hard this is, Glowforge. Could you make it so that we could put in the thickness of our material and the tabs would adjust to the thickness of our material to do a project? I mean, I know you want to make it so we have to use your proof grade materials, but your proof grade materials aren't always in stock, and it would kind of give us some other options for using our Glowforge. So I like this, and if you're selling, this is a great little display piece if you're a seller at a craft show. I could easily see you stacking some of the Glowforge earring displays or stacking earring displays, soap, perfumes, candles on something like this for selling. I'm going to stack my Tooth Fairy boxes on here. Maybe some of my card boxes. I'm not sure yet. But this will definitely be going to craft shows as a display piece. I'm going to hit this with some spray paint. I'll throw a picture up in the corner of it finished and spray painted. And I'm just going to hit it with some Krylon spray paint. So I like it. For a free project, I really, really like it. I am going to try and run some of the other projects. But I don't know if my MDF sheets are big enough for the corner, the curved corner display piece, but I'm going to see if I can get it in there. The tabs are really tight. I actually cracked one of the back pieces and had to use some of my Starbond super glue with a bit of accelerator spray to fix that up, but no one will ever see the back here when it's sitting on the table displaying. If you're not selling, I can easily see this going in someone's kitchen cabinet with spices on it. I could easily throw this in my bathroom with a couple of things on it. Kitchen for any number of things. I see this going on someone's dresser with nail polish. This is something that could go any number of places in a house. I see this being a great little project for anybody. I think this is a great free project for Glowforge to put out. I see this being such a universal project. And my first thought was display, because I'm a business owner and I do a lot of craft shows, and displays are always a big deal for me. So having a new display piece is always awesome. So for me, a display, for you, a spice rack, nail polish holder, something for the house. Let me know, what would you use this for at your house? And what color are you going to paint it? I'm just going back and forth between a seafoam green and not pylon orange. Something fun, something a bright color though, something that's going to make it stand out on my table. I don't know if you've ever seen my table, if you watch any of the farmers market videos, but my tables have a kind of a burnt orange table covering with burlap over them. Kind of brings out that rusticy wood look of my business. So I want something with a pop of color, since my stuff's pretty monotone with wood. So I might do a pop of color on this and see what it does for my table. Worst case scenario, I throw it in the back of the kitchen cabinet for spices, and I make myself another one. Do have a Glowforge, I can make as many as I want. And I did notice this has a commercial license, so I could make and sell just the shelf by itself. Alright, let me know. What colors are you going to make? What colors would you do with it? What are you going to do with it? Alright, next thing up on this video is the me making it. Basically just jangling the pieces around to fit on my piece of wood and running it. This is a pretty quick and easy project. If you're not going to watch the next section, remember now, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Go out there and have some fun. Make some smoke in those lasers, and remember, enjoy your weekend. Do something to help out your community and help out other people. And go make something fun for yourself. Alright, enjoy your day. Let's go hit some paint. Alright, all we're going to do for this one is just shift the pieces around so it actually fits on our board, since we're using a smaller board than a piece of Glowforge material. It's a little bit thicker than the Glowforge material, but we're going to pound it into the tabs. So a little bit of persuasion with a hammer. And that's all we're going to do. I used some customized settings. We're going to run this at 158 millimeters a minute and the full strength. Other than that, everything else is going to run at normal settings. All we did was shift it around, didn't change any of the sizes or any of the tabs on the project. We're going to go ahead and paint it, so we're not going to worry about tape on the project. And that's it. Let's go run this, and you guys already know how this turns out, but I'm hoping it doesn't catch on fire. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember, have fun and make some smoke on your laser. Have a good day.